Hello, today I'll be introducing the basics of perimeter and area. We will be focusing on definitions, different ways of finding area and perimeter, and real-world problems. To begin, the definition of a perimeter is the continuous line forming a boundary of a closed geometric figure. In other words, it is the distance around the outside of a shape. For example, we have the rectangle FGHI, which has 4 right angles and opposite sides that are congruent to each other. FG is equal to 7 and FH is equal to 11. HI is equal to 7 because opposite sides are equal to each other. Here we have a square, ABCD. We know that the sides of squares are all equal, so to find the perimeter of a square, we only need to know the length of one side. Here we know that A is equal to 5. Since all sides are equal to each other, it's 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, which is 20. Our final example is we need to find the perimeter of a circle, also known as the circumference of a circle. The formula to solving for the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, which is 2 times pi times the radius of the circle. The radius of the circle in this example is 6. Now that we know how to find the perimeter of certain shapes, let's try a real-world application problem. Riley wants to build a backyard for his house. He is planning to make the length of the backyard 5 feet and a width of 7 feet. What is the perimeter of the backyard? Here we can find the perimeter by adding all the sides. 5 plus 7 plus 5 plus 7, which is 24. Then we can start on area. Area is defined as the total space taken up by a flat 2D surface or a shape of an object. In other words, it is the space within an object. For example, the amount of space in this rectangle is its area. To find the area of a rectangle or square is by multiplying the length by the width. Here, I drew 5 lines to make 6 columns and 3 lines to make 4 rows. So 4 times 6 is 24. So the area is 24 units squared. To find the area of a triangle, all you need to do is to multiply the width and the height, then divide it by 2. Here, I did 5 times 6 equals 30, and 30 divided by 2 equals 15, and I found out the area was 15 units squared. We can now try a real-world application problem involving the area of a shape. Evan wants to find the square feet of his wall. The base of the wall is 10 feet and the height is 5 feet. What is the area of Evan's wall? Here, the base is 10 feet and the height is 5 feet. 10 times 5 is 50. Therefore, the area is 50 units squared. In conclusion, there are different ways to solve for the area and perimeter of many different shapes. We now know how to find the area and perimeter of simple shapes and how to apply them to real-world problems. Thank you all for listening. I hope you have a great day.